Hi, welcome back to our series of tutorials. Today we are going to see how to model these two shapes. Actually, this one can make a nice end of a bed. So you will know once you meet them in your future models how you can go about it. So I will first of all delete them. I will add a cube. I will scale it on y-axis and then scale it on x-axis. I will go to edit mode, edge select, then select these two edges and go to edge, subdivide edge ring. I will set the number of subdivision to 11. I'll go into top view, select the middle one, go back into front view, tilt a bit to see the edges, turn on the proportional editing if it was not turned on, and then grab on z-axis. I will keep the two faces here at the end untouched. I will tab out of edit mode, then I will grab this object to X, and once there I hide it so that I can model the second. Shift A, the cube, add the cube, scale on y-axis, SX to scale on x-axis, tab go into edit mode, then select again these two edges, edge, subdivide edge ring, and set the number to 11 again. I select the middle one, then I grab, make sure the proportional editing is turned on, and then now grab to z-axis, but now grab up. Tab out of edit mode, then grab X, and then press Alt H to unhide the other shape. Grab it on X, grab it on X so it is nearby. As you can see, I have the nice shapes, but they have corners. So let me smooth them. I will select them, shade smooth, select the other and shade smooth. Now I select this, the first one. I go to object data properties, then normals, and then check the normals. I have one edge here which is visible, so let me increase, let's say to 1. At around 55 it disappears. I do this for the second. Object data properties, check auto smooth normals. I have 1, 2, 3 edges that I don't want them to be visible, so I increase again. The 2 have disappeared. And finally, the last one has disappeared. Thank you for following. Continue to watch for the next tutorials. Please subscribe so that you get notified. Bye.